Take the mounting plate and attach it under the seat. The slide handle can be on either side. Screw heads should not stick out more than maximum 6 mm. This is very important. Pull out the handle and slide the mounting plate and seat onto the guiders and put it in the center of the 5 positions. After positioning the base and marking where it should be, take the seat off again and carefully mark and drill holes. If there is a deck plate, make threads or use our stainless steel glass fiber insert if there is no deck plate. Put the mounting plate and seat back into position. Then put the turn handle in place and slide the cable into the groove and match up the holes. Use Loctite or some similar threading adhesive when putting the included screws in place. Tighten well. Last, we screw the slide stop screw all the way in.